Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We're going to be going over a trade I just took on TRCH, and I am done for the day. This was a great trade. It was super risky, so I only went in with 200 shares or around $870, somewhere close to that. But I did enter at 434, and that was absolutely huge. I caught this huge move. Sadly, I didn't catch this extra move, but again, I entered again at that 34. My stop was below at 426. So this wasn't even 10 cents of a risk. Caught this whole move. I sold some at here because it just absolutely broke through the price action. Didn't indicate that I should have sold at this resistance level, so I sold at the 20 EMA, and I sold the rest of my position at VWAP for a 9% run, which is absolutely crazy. I'm so glad I caught that. 9% in one day is an amazing trade. And again, this goes back to always finding the best stocks. You can see I have my watch list. Again, I went through this morning, found all of these stocks on my scanners, and went back and found out the best news to come out for it. This was a hype stock, so I knew a lot of traders were watching it. It gapped up, and what happens when it gaps up a lot of people take profits, and then people want to get it to go long. I'm looking for it, so that's what I was really looking for that reversal. And I saw we had a consolidation period. I got in at this candle before it made a new high. That was when I got it, and my stop was less than 10 cents down, so I wasn't worried about losing. That's why I only went in with 200 shares. So again, my position sizing was good, and I absolutely caught this huge move, and I'm super happy with that. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and go over another trade. Why I could have waited and took the whole thing. It's called a VWAP reversal strategy. That is how I like to trade these. But I could have waited for this uptrend because I did have this trend line drew pre-market. So I knew it was going to have to come up and test it, but I didn't know it was going to be that crazy. We can see that this move is actually a 12% move. And if you guys want to look at TRCH, we could actually see it pull back to the 50% fib or the 38.2% fib, and then continue to go and move. And that's what I'm really looking for. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies.